Good morning. It's our first full day here in Porto. It's beautiful outside. It actually was supposed to be rainy, right? Right, Mommy? Yes.
No.
It was supposed to be rainy today. Okay. But it's not. So, we're here. We're about to go to the city. I showed you guys probably before this clip a little bit of the hotel that we're staying at, which is beautiful. We had quite a bit of trouble getting here, so we lost today. So I don't even know if I want to go into that because it was rough. But we're going to head to the city center right now. We're going to take a shuttle from the hotel and just walk around. We thought it wasn't supposed to be so nice today, so we're going to take like a bus tour tomorrow where we can like hop on, hop off, see all the sights and stuff. But for right now, I'll show you guys the view from the hotel room. I'll give you guys a little hotel room tour because the maid just came, so it looks nice now. But yeah, I'll show you guys outside first. So this is the view from the hotel. Here we have this cute little courtyard where we're going to take lots of Instagram pics for sure. I'm not sure what river this is. I forgot what it's called. The what? Douro River is what I was just informed. So we have a cute little bridge. Here we have the pool which they're cleaning, which I'm very excited to lay out by. They have an outdoor bar down there. I'm really excited to hit that up as well. It looks so pretty. And this is the view. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit of the hotel as well. So this is the hotel room. Okay, so this is the hotel room. We have a cute little desk area. We have the TV. We have Mommy. Wave, Mommy, say hi. So we have a bed here, and we have a bed here. This is where I've been sleeping. This is where my mom and my sister have been sleeping. We have a cute little couch where you can hang out, relax. They have a lot of mirrors here, which is really nice. So here's me. My sister's currently in the bathroom, so I'll show you that later. But here's another view outside, which is so beautiful. We're staying at a hotel that used to be a palace, so it's super beautiful. And as you guys can see, it has a cute little courtyard. It's actually like a 2-building hotel, so we have to like cross between the buildings to do things. Like I said, we have another bed here. We have a full-length mirror. Woo! Party! Yeah! And then we have just like a closet right here. And that's the door. And another cute little view. A cheeky little view. But yeah, so like I said, we're gonna go head out because we have to catch a shuttle in like 20 minutes or so to the town, and I'll show you guys when we get there. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick little outfit of the day. So this scarf I'm wearing is from Target. I got it a few years ago, but they always come out with like cheetah scarves for like the spring and summertime, if cheetah's in, and cheetah's always in my opinion, but you know. This leather jacket I believe I got from TJ Maxx. It's just like one of the moto kind of jackets where it's like angular and cute. My earrings are from Forever 21. I have my hair in this little cute half up, half down style. This bodysuit is from Forever 21. I actually got it for like $8. They were having a really good sale on it. This belt, it's a Fucci belt. I got it from Amazon actually. It's really cute. These jeans are from TJ Maxx. They're just plain black jeans, my favorite. And then on my feet, because we're going to be doing a lot of walking, I just have some Converse. And I'm just carrying like a cute little backpack for my bag because it fits so much. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. This full-length mirror is amazing. And yeah. We made it to Porto. We made it to the city. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. So we made it to the city. I've been showing you guys around. You've probably seen it already. Hi. No, thank you. You too. But so now we're heading to like the river part of the city, which is beautiful. This was so pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys around. I haven't said anything today. I've just been videoing everything else but me. So I want to just show you guys around. We're in, what's this called? Gaia? Gaia. We're on the opposite side of the river now. We took the tram. I don't know if I vlogged the tram because your girl's knees were knocking, but it was beautiful. I'll vlog it when we go back because we bought a round trip ticket. Need to go out a little more. But we're just walking around. We just had some delicious pastry. You know what it's called?
Pastel de nata.
Pastel de nata. It was delicious. I took a picture of it. I'll insert it now. And we're back. So, we're just walking around the city. It's so beautiful. It's actually a really nice day. It was supposed to rain today, according to the weather app, but it's beautiful. As you guys can see, the sun is shining. I have on my sunglasses. These sunglasses have been with me everywhere. These are the high key Desi Perkins fades, for anyone wondering. And yeah. It's really loud right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're just walking through the city, having some fun. Oh, but yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, and that's really it. Bye. Say bye. Bye. We have some cheese and some toast, and my sister got some sardines and some white wine. I got some rosé, which is absolutely delicious, but I had a really big breakfast. I ate a lot more than my mom and my sister, so that's why I'm not eating. But we're at a little tasting place. I'll show you guys around. It's so pretty.